Cameron McCurdy doing a real quick van tour for you. This is my 2002 Chevy Astro. You can see on the front, got some reflective tape. Kind of looks like a fish, the scales of one, and it's double layered. It's got yellow caution tape under there, and you could see that seeping through the silver. So that's kind of cool. And on these chrome rims, I think they're 15-inch tires, but I got those from Goodyear for $100. But these chrome, you know, I left it dirty. Okay, so that way I'm not so reflective when I'm like parked, you know, shady places, maybe in the neighborhood to get some rest. So I just trying to be a little more stealth. So I haven't polished those up yet. I think that was kind of smooth. Astro. Guys, I went to the food bank today. Scored some Mountain House for the first time ever. Can you believe that? So props to whoever donated some lasagna with meat sauce to the food bank. Gotta love that. So that's gonna be tasty. Just add water to that, of course. Got some gluten-free Annie's mac and cheese, baby. Organic. Hey, who's this? What are you doing? Henry, come here, come here. No, over here, over here. I love this dog. I think he's just a pup, right? You're just a couple years old, if that. And this guy, I forgot your name. You don't care about names, though. You're just sniffing butts. So anyways, I got some stuff at the food bank. It's basically all organic, living that van life. So I guess I'll show you real quick. You know, people have been liking that video of me just showing all my van food. So a lot of it's still powders. Or like I'll just add this to something, maybe the lasagna, huh? Or mac and cheese. But I got a couple veggie, Vega, protein and greens powders there from the food bank. It's pea protein, so no soy. I just dumped out some soy. It's over there. I promise I didn't eat it. I didn't eat any because I got this for free, and there was some soybeans touching my crackers in this, so I didn't like the soybeans up against the peppers and the carrots. So I'm gonna have to call the company. But yeah, guys, we're living the van life. Got hydration stuff. Got some henna cream. I don't know what's going on right there. That is nasty. I like it though. It's kind of erotic. But anyways, in a second, we're gonna go feed some dogs. Actually, just this one that's kind of a bad dog, but you know, I'm kind of a bad boy, so he's all caged up and we gotta hook him up. So yeah, anyways, this is a van tour and I just showed you all my van food, but I hope you dig it. Got the axe. Got these little shish kebabs for barbecuing and cleaning things. Got the Air Force Gore-Tex boots, wrappers. What a slob. No, I'm usually really clean. I do need to vacuum this. Got the butt wipes on lock. You know, samples everywhere. And cleaning cloths, rubber bands, stuff you can't replicate in nature. You know, I got lots of pins around. I did get hooked up from this company today, so I shouldn't say hooked up. I don't really care about them yet, but it seems to be like a good company. It says made in China, but I did try on the headlamp and it does last for like 5 hours with 3 AAA batteries. Oh, this is the camping lanterns from Vaunt. So collapsible and lightweight. That's cool. Yeah. So I'm going to test it out. If I don't like it, I'll donate it to Goodwill or something. Got CDs. Just listening to some 80s today. The donation pig. Yeah. So, you know, I'll use this money for odds and ends. Maybe throw the small change into a Coinstar, not the quarters and dimes, because I can count that out at a store and, you know, get credit that way and not have to give Coinstar 12%. But anyways, you can give a donation to the pig. You'd appreciate it. Today I had organic root beer. This was actually the first time I seen this one. It's the same price as like the non-organic, or maybe it's just a new label, but that was legit. With organic cane sugar. Of course, I got my keys. Do have a new Garmin. And I figured out the system, guys. You just look up the addresses on your smartphone, and then you just type it into the Garmin, right? And And so you're not using all your phone data. You can just use the satellites. I did get this Casio illuminator for, gosh, I picked up a couple watches on this last trip to the hot springs, but yeah, that was like $5. Journaling, found the red pen first, and got mouthwash, butane. So this is like my junk drawer, and put my water bottles up here. Got organic coffee, toilet paper, aluminum-free deodorants. Guess you're getting the tour for sure today. CoQ10, got that from a food bank. Another notepad. There's a hair trimmer in there for body hair and manscaping. I don't know why I said it like that, but I got 2 coffee presses. Riding shotgun, guys. Come on, give me some props for that. We got 2 loaded modems. Yeah, so I like this setup. I mean, I was working on kits all the time, so there's some food and some different powders there. So I see some coupons in there too. But that's just gonna lead to overeating, right? Back here, we got some more treasures to go to Value Village. Guess I'll show you all this stuff. It's kind of gonna be a long video, but hey, YouTube likes 10-minute videos. So I got some subs. I got a hock a loogie real quick. Yeah. So gummy bears, vitamins, okay. And then this watch was epic, right? We got a relic with an abalone-ish shell kind of face with some CZ zirconium face right there. So that's a beautiful watch. That was only a few dollars. Got a burp again. I just ate a bunch of chips, but they were organic too. And this little piece, I think I picked this up. This is another cheap one. It's like $5. It's like, man, I gotta get it. It's probably, you know, from Mexico and legit silver. It's got a nice stamp in there, so I don't have anything like that. And maybe I'll give it to a future girlfriend. So if you're watching this video and you want to be a van girl, all you got to do is email me. All right? You're signed up. You're already signed up. Okay? We can go treasure hunting. And then you can get stuff like this. We got a Swatch watch from '94. This is probably the best find of my last vacation. I went to a couple thrift stores. Got this Swatch watch from '94 with the glow dial. This GoPro doesn't do well with close objects, so please forgive me if it doesn't focus. But $2, guys, $1.99. It's probably worth $60. And I do have a laptop, homies. Yeah, so you can expect even better videos. It's a Lenovo IdeaPad 330S i5 8th gen. So definitely gonna have to get the i7 soon once again, but it's a nice laptop for the 1080p videos, okay? So you got to step up to i7 for that 4K unless you just upload the clips directly to a source like YouTube. Now this jacket right here, I got to talk about it because it makes me happy. It was another like yard sale find, vintage Patagonia jacket. Maybe spilled some coffee on it, but no, it looks pretty good. There's like one little tear in a cuff, but on another burn mark, found it. So what are you gonna do? I still like wearing it around the farm here. Let's get another shot of the farm as the sun goes down. So the sleep system is the most important. You all know that. And I got the Air with the brand new memory foam pad from Bimart, $19 or something. So yeah, that's the smallest size they make in this, and it's legit. I slept like a baby, finally catching up on some rest so I can make some videos. It's been a heck of a week, and I can't even speak, but yeah, we got my stove. I need to put a thingy on that pillow, a case, and then I got I think those are clean clothes. Might be dirty, like me, but dirty McCurdy. But we got the foam roller over there, lots of extra trash bags hidden and tucked away. Got duffel bags and football bags, mesh bags, and basketball duffel bags. And we'll pop them back. Oh yeah, I got a Bitcoin sticker. How about that? If you picked up any Bitcoin yet, might want to buy incrementally. This is not financial advice. This is intended for entertainment purposes only. So right now I've been keeping this food box right here. Got some carnation, you know, I'm not proud of that, but it is essential, you know, so I'll mix that in. Maybe some spring water. And I got some good stuff. This is mixed with all kinds of stuff. So don't be hating on my essentials, okay? Once a month or once a week, I can drink a chocolate milk. I had to pick up these new kicks. These are the New Balance 247s. Yeah, I like those a lot. So those are $9.99 at Goodwill. Got the wool blanket. This is funny, guys. I'll drop this on you because this is epic. It's a neighborhood watch patrol car magnet set that I got. I got 5 of these from a garage sale for like $5. And I'm going to trade these 2 for a designer, is that a thing? Barber haircut. He's a real good stylist. So I'm going to get trimmed up for free or on trade. So yeah, that's what's up. Now this is also epic. And this is like my medicine bag, guys. So this has got, as I burp again, need to breathe once in a while too. This has got all my medicine, guys. Yeah, so there's like collagen powder, more vanilla rose natural deodorant, golden seal root, maca, more oils. So got some old supplements, some new stuff, some stuff that's not opened, and stuff I don't even know what it is. This was a garage sale find. Premium Echinacea. I remember getting these 2 bottles, maybe 3. I don't think I've tried that yet, but I got a couple bottles for like $3. So, yeah, and then my grandma just gave me this. Check out the sloth. Ah! Yeah, I forgot his name. I think I ripped off the tag, but what would you name him? I think I'd name him... God, he looks like a lot of things, like a George or a Peter, but, well, maybe no Peter. I'll just name him later. Can plan that one. So I got shaving stuff up in there, guys. The Burt's Bees sample, and that's aftershave. So this is pretty much it, guys. I blocked out this window. I got speakers, looking good. It's pretty clean. You know, I picked up today. Still need to dump a box or 2 of food. Got way too many food boxes, but it's all good, right? You can't go wrong there. Tank full of gas right now. Costs about 60 something to fill up. And yeah, oh yeah, we're gonna go feed the dogs. So that concludes the van tour, guys. That's the update. Gotta make sure I'm not stepping on any dog poop or goat poop, or there's some, my old banana peels. Wonder if you can eat that. Dry banana peels, is that still good? Maybe it's a thing somewhere. All right, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Good night.